Hi there, welcome back to EngVarta. This is Vani, and today I will talk about the go to words for asking questions, gathering info, expressing curiosity like who, what, when, why, whose, and how.
EngVarta, your English practice playground.
So let's start with who. Now, who is a word which is all about people. It helps us to identify a person or a group involved in a situation. For instance, if I say, who is coming to the party? Or who won the match? Or who is that handsome boy over there? So, whenever you want to ask about someone's identity or role, use who. Next up is what. Now, what is your go to word for asking questions, gathering information? For instance, if I say, what are you doing this Sunday? Or what is your favorite hobby? Or what is he doing over there? So, whenever you are curious and you want to know about something, what will get you all the answers? Moving on to when. Now, when is the WH word for time. It is used to talk about the timing of a specific action or event. For instance, if I say, when will the meeting start? Or when will you come home? Or when did I last go for shopping? So, if you need to know when something exactly happened, simply use when. Next up is where. Now, where is your perfect guide to location and places? Whenever you want to find out the whereabouts of someone or something, use where. For instance, if I say, where do you live? Or where did you go last Sunday? Or where is the nearest hospital? So, whenever you are curious and you want to know about a place, where has he covered? Next up is why. Now, why is all about reason and purpose. It helps us to understand the reason behind an action or situation. For instance, if I say, why are you late? Or why are you angry with me? Or why are you so irritating? So, whenever you want to know the reason or motive behind something, simply use why. Moving on to how. Now, even though how does not starts with WH, but still it is a proud member of the WH family. It helps us to understand the manner, condition, or degree of something. For instance, if I say, how are you? Or how is the weather there? Or how do you solve this problem? So, how is your go to word whenever you want to understand the process or condition of something? Now let's talk about which, not the chudail wala which. Which is the perfect word for asking about choices from a particular set of things. For instance, if I say, which dress do you like? Or which cushion do you want? The pink one or the red one? Or if I say, which book do you like from these three? So, whenever you want to ask someone about their choices from a set of things, which will help you to make things clear. And lastly, we have whose. Now, whose is all about ownership and possession. You use it when you want to figure out who is the owner of something. For instance, if I say, whose bag is that? Or whose plant is that? Or whose phone is this? So, whenever you want to find out the owner of something, simply use whose. So now that we have covered the WH family, it is time to put your skills to test. I will give you 5 situations based on which you have to frame correct questions. So are you ready? Let's start with our first situation. So when you are trying to find out the leader of the team, so what will you say? Correct. Who is the leader of this team? Situation number 2. When you are trying to find out the nearest bus station, so what will you say? What will you ask someone? Correct. Where is the nearest bus station? Situation number 3. When you want to understand the reason behind the meeting being cancelled, what will you say? Exactly. Why was the meeting cancelled? Situation number 4. When you want to figure out the show time of the movie, like as in dash, will the movie start? Exactly. You will say, when will the movie start? Moving on to our last situation. Situation number 5. When you want to find out the prices of the tickets, what will you say? Correct. How much do the tickets cost? So these were all the 5 situations. If you've got all of them correct, thumbs up. Kudos, you did an amazing job. And if not, then don't worry, simply rewatch this video once again. Well, this brings us to the end of this video. I really hope that this video was easy enough for you to understand and you enjoyed it. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends as well. And make sure to subscribe the channel for more such content. I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye, take care and happy learning.